Welcome to Medusa Pro, the 3D rock model generator for Unity. Medusa Pro generates completely randomized rock models based on templates which describe the geological properties of a rock model. And as per usual in Medusa, we can step through randomized models simply by pressing the space button, which will generate a new model based on the current template. In this tutorial, we're just going to look at how to export models specifically for Unity. So we'll generate a new model based on one of the other templates. Let's use the limestone arch template and click Create Random. This will now generate a new template, a new randomized rock based on a template with an arch shape. So here's a rather nice model arch. And we can export that to Unity simply by going to the Export menu under File and selecting the file type to be FBX for Unity. There's several other options we can choose here. We want to export the high-res tree model. We could also export the LED 50 and LED 10 model, which will generate lower resolution level of detail models. And if you've got the registered version of Unity, you could then import those and use them within your application. We could also export a specific collision mesh for this model. However, Unity can generate collision meshes itself, and it does that very well. So let's just export the high-res tree model, and let's scale on export. We'll increase the scale by about 3, and simply press export. Add a new folder name, we'll call that Unity Rock, and press save to export the model to that folder. So there we are, it's all exported. So here we are in Unity in the world editor. It's very easy to import models produced by Medusa Pro in the editor. Simply go to Assets and import New Asset, then find our export directory, select the FBX file and press import, and that will drag in the mesh of our rock model. We should also then import the textures to make the material, so we'll import again a new asset. Let's import that diffuse texture, and then we'll also import the normal texture as well. So import new asset and import that normal texture. There we go. And to apply these textures to the mesh, so I've selected the mesh. If we want to have a normal texture and a diffuse, make sure that the shader is selected to bumped diffuse, and then under the base texture, click select and select the diffuse texture that we just imported. There we go. And then likewise select the normal texture. There we are. And then finally make sure that this is fixed as a normal map. There we go. So we've just successfully imported this Medusa Pro model very easily into Unity. So Medusa Pro is available for download right now. There is a free version of Medusa Pro that can produce an unlimited number of random models from 2 different template types. So we hope you enjoy using Medusa Pro and you find it useful in creating some really good scenes and games.